Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to save a Facebook reel as draft. If you're using Facebook and you want to save your Facebook reel as a draft, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook and just upload the reel you want. So let's say I'm going to open Facebook here and my browser and just select the reel you want to upload. So click on this reel icon. You can also go to your profile page and upload your reel from there. I'm going from my profile page here, click on reel and just click on upload button. Select the reel you want. So for example, I'm gonna select video here and let's say this reel.
Have you ever noticed the
Click on
Avengers
next
Doomsday trailer
and here
never
click on
actually
next
tells
again.
us this is
And here you
our
must see
Steve
this save
Rogers?
button.
Because the
Now
deeper
instead
you
of
look,
post,
the more
you have to
Marvel
click on
seems to be
save.
hiding. It starts
Click
with
this.
one simple shot.
Once you
Steve
have done,
catches
your
Mjolnir.
video will
At
be
first, it
saved
feels
ready. Just
like
you have to
pure
wait
fan
for a few
service.
seconds
But look
until
closer.
your
This isn't
video
the
is
original
uploaded.
hammer.
So
It's the
once
same
upload is
shattered Mjolnir from
complete,
Thor Love
you
and
can click
Thunder,
on
still
save
covered
and
with the
your video
cracks
will be
Hela left
saved
behind
for
in Thor
downloading. So now
Ragnarok.
click on
Marvel
save
wants you
here
to
and
recognize
you can see
exactly
that my
which
video is
timeline
saved
this hammer
for
belongs.
draft. So using this method, you can easily save your video as a draft and your Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.